That's funny. You burp and you hiccup at the same time. Wow, he knows how to burp on command.
He has hiccups.
But it's making it sound like a burp. See, now you're gonna hurt your throat with that.